Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DSki1 where we talk all things football. And in today's news, man, we're gonna be talking all things Orlando Pirates. So basically, I'll be giving you all nothing but the latest Orlando Pirates news. First on the news, Orlando Pirates have already completed 5 brand new signings for next season. The first signing was from Baroka FC Ukabelo Khositsile. That's according to e-Kickoff. And then the second signing that the Orlando Pirates did was from Usihle Nduli and Sinocolo Kwayiba. That are the 3 signings, and then Orlando Pirates promoted the DTC player Usbusiso Tau to the first team. Bamkaye is senior contract Usbusiso Tau, and then the 5th player, the Orlando Pirates emsignile Masindi Namtanjela from Marumo Gallants. Guys, do you understand? The Orlando Pirates signed 5 players. Ijuna yakashaya iwindow ayikavuleki nekuvuleka, but Orlando Pirates seyithole 5 players. So I understand why Orlando Pirates i-compete ne-Sundowns nabo number 1, and then abanye ba-compete for number 8. Mara angikho lapha, siphumeni lapho, sikhuluma nge-Pirates la. Yes, moving right along. In other news, Uma second Miguel team will not be joining the Orlando Pirates come next season, simply because contract yakhe iyaphela nodilasi ngeJune, and the Orlando Pirates will not renew his contract because he's not part of the plans the next season. So please comment and let me know how do you feel about Miguel team leaving the Orlando Pirates. Yes, moving right along. In other news, former Orlando Pirates coach Jose Rivero has finally spoken about his plans at Al Ahly. Seeing that he's the new coach at Al Ahly, he finally spoke about his plans for Al Ahly, saying that the first signing he wants to make is to sign Mbugazi, a whole Mbugazi TLP. That's his first signing that he wants to make for Al Ahly. Mina ngithutakiwe. uRivero sekadagi, uRivero khanda lakhe selisefu umoya, khanda lakhe alikho mnandi. How do you want to sign a whole TLP? Oh, like, not as we Orlando Pirates we want to compete, guys. Not as we Orlando Pirates we want to play for major things, and to compete for major trophies, you have to have the best squad. And Mbugazi is one of our best players, so he forms a best squad. Coco Melon is one of our best players, he forms a best squad. Yabona uMahau. Oh, yangeke thina njalo masicala sithi siba ne-talent, i-Orlando Pirates cala ithi iba ne-depth nina nayihlukanisa. uSpanish Guitar bababheka akayophanda amaplayer le emajanandeni nababhayi laphaya. Akakhohlwe nje South Africa, ngithi uvayile South Africa, akakhohlwe nje South Africa, akamaketele fair. How? Yes, Al Ahly, it's a big brand. They're gonna go play Club World Cup. Yes, every player bayafuna ukuyodlala i-Club World Cup. I get that, but wait, but for you Orlando Pirates, we are cooking something. Orlando Pirates is building something special. Something ezovimba Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns has been ruling for the past 8 years. Orlando Pirates is the only team that might stop, or that has a chance to stop Mamelodi Sundowns. So please comment and let me know ukuthi yimi engitakiwe na or uRivero utakiwe. Angazi, ngitsheleni ubani otakiwe between mina noRivero. I don't know. And guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoy this kind of content.